Hey, jelly beans. We at the emergency room. Honey here. I need the emergency room. He been having sharp pain down his arm and across the side of his chest. So we at the emergency room. And also, guys, anybody that's my friends on Facebook and stuff, my whole account been hacked. My phone number been hacked too. So I'm gonna have to go to the phone company and get a whole new phone number, and have a whole nother Facebook. Get a whole nother Facebook account. So yeah, it's just been a hectic day today. Our daughter down here as well. One of our girls. But yeah, it's been hectic today. I've been so frustrated with this Facebook account, and then they got a hold of my phone number and stuff. They've been texting people talking about do they have $300? So people was thinking that it was coming from me when it wasn't. I mean, it's just a mess. But look, that's my sister-in-law. She way down North Carolina. They asking her. They texting her like it's me, asking her, do she have $300? So this is crazy.
No turtle from down my water.
Oh Lord.
She called me.
All right, it's just crazy. And my daughter, mother-in-law called me and was asking, did I need help? Because she got a text. They text her phone, asking her for $300.
I'm waiting on them now.
It's just crazy.
They took my blood.
Anyway, guys, I'll check back in later. I'm just frustrated at this point. All right, jelly beans. The signal ain't in. It's still saying signal. No signal. We back here. We got honey. All what you call that. We're trying to get a signal on the TV back here. There's no signal that's coming in. So I guess we had to be sitting back here chit-chatting with each other. I went and got us Taco Bell. So, and yeah, so still staying in our little healthy range. We got a soft taco, as we've been here most of the day and haven't eaten. What time is it? Yeah, and it's 5:43, and we ain't had nothing to eat all day, so I ran up there and got that, and got honey, coffee, and this came with the little combo, our little combo. So, and this is strawberry lemonade. Got honey some coffee. So yeah. Oh, we finally got something on the TV. Yeah, so
just don't involve it.
we trying to. It's got a signal now, so we trying to find something to watch. You know, like my little braids I had put in my head. I put this in the other day. Yeah. Anyway, what was that, honey?
That's that daggone dumb junk.
A comedy.
Yeah, they come on every day.
Modern Family. Yeah.
What's the name? Family.
Yeah.
Modern Family.
All right, so we just sitting back here and waiting for the docs.
I bet you will watch that.
Oh, yeah. So, I'm so mad, guys, that my Facebook and stuff got hacked.
Back here laying down.
That's Mama.
I gotta wait. I'm waiting for the X-ray come back. Man, they got me hooked up to stuff.
Yeah, they got him hooked up to the heart monitor. You know he back here all scared. He gonna ask the doctors. He gonna ask the nurses. Is there something wrong that y'all not telling me? I said, this man. Mm-hmm. No, he is.
You never know.
Well, let me know when you're finished. I'm going to eat short. I'll eat and then I'm going to be here relaxing.
Look, she starts at D here. You guys, she said,
Ain't nothing wrong with you. Just done got...
She say ain't nothing wrong with you. You just done got too fat. That's all.
Alright, bro.
Alright, old lady. Alright.
That woman crazy. What is it? Oh, I don't want to see no Star Trek.
I'm not going.
I mean, not Star Trek. What is this called again?
Ain't nobody see gonna watch nothing. I'm just torn through the channel.
What's the name of this though?
What?
What's the name of that? Darth Vader.
That's Star Wars.
Star Wars, yeah. I said Darth Vader.
That's Star Wars. You said Darth Vader for real. You don't hear though. You ever watch this today?
I don't want to see that either. Anyway, y'all, we ain't doing nothing. We just sitting here. Yeah.
Look at you.
Well, you can still scan through and see. Just scan through and see what's
Ain't it one of them building things?
Yeah, honey.
I gotta get my shit cut.
Oh, you want to watch that? Yeah, this you like that law? Ain't that Law and Order, right?
Yeah, baby.
Alright, so we found Law and Order. We're gonna sit here and watch this. And we probably don't get out here till like 8 o'clock. If at 8. Yeah, it's 5. What time is it now? It's 5:47. It's 5:47, so we probably don't be out here till like 8 o'clock.
What's wrong with you?
Honey, that's shut. He whining as
I'm not
usual.
coming to the hospital no more.
One thing about Honey, he whines.
I ain't coming no more.
When he don't feel good, he whines, and then when we come in the hospital, he
They had no
whining.
reason to keep people that long.
Honey, you coming in for your arm and chest problems. What you think, they just gonna boot you right out the door?
Oh my God, baby. No, I didn't say that.
All right then.
But it can be longer than what it is right now. I mean, shorter than it is right now.
Honey, you is not the only one that's in the emergency
I
room.
ain't never say I was the only one of them. Me and two other people that there going.
But you just got back here.
Oh my God, I shouldn't have been. We just getting back here.
Anyway, I don't even know why I'm conversating with him.
It's crazy.
So I'm a look, I don't even know what to say to y'all right now because he got me all discombobulated. Anyway, we had 2 tacos a piece, and yeah. So at least we ain't starving no more.
Girl, you not starving. Oh, when? Oh, yeah, I'm talking about.
Oh, guys, we got to show y'all. Tell them, honey, we got to show them our deep freezer.
Girl, do this, boy.
When we get back in the house. Show y'all deep freezer. We finally got a deep freezer last night. We was so happy. We found one at what was it? Home Depot. I called them and asked them that they have a 3 or 5 cubic foot deep freezer, and they said that they had a 5 cubic foot. I said, can you please hold it? And we on our way, and we got there, and they only had that one. Excuse me. They only had that 1 5 cubic foot. The other one was 7, and that would have been too big because our apartment is small. So yeah, we got it, and I'll show you guys when we get there because they have a special feature that's in it. But anyway, yeah, so we got that, and yeah, so happy. All right, guys, I'll check back in. You want to say see you later? He in the Law and Order. All right, I'll check back in later and keep y'all updated. All right, jelly beans, everything is okay. He said that Honey have a little bit of sciatica in his back shoulder, the nerve back there. So
she passed it on to me.
Honey,
The sciatica ain't transported with her. Yeah.
he said I passed it on to him. Yeah, so he got sciatica.
She got it.
They're gonna give him whatchamacallit for the inflammation of it, and yeah, so that's what it was. He got sciatica too. I'm telling you.
She gave it to me, y'all. It ain't like that, y'all.
He'll keep saying I gave it to him.
But you know, when
Oh
I
my
see transported
goodness.
to somebody else.
All right, guys, we about to get up out of here. We wait for him to bring his discharge paper, so I'm about to help him
Whenever they
get his
come, they go
stuff
ahead
back
and
on.
chit chat.
All right.
Right
All right,
along.
guys, we just got in the house. Honey got to go back down because we get ready to just have that fan as a giveaway. Sit it out there for somebody that might want to have it. Because I got me a little fan, a little smaller fan. Oh, this is our deep freezer, guys. Look at our deep freezer. And this is how we move the table. Oh, I'm forgetting everything, guys. Don't play me no more. Oh. We also changed the living room around. So this is how everything is looking now. We moved the table over. We got rid of the computer desk. And this is how the living room is looking. So yeah. Yeah. So that's how that's looking. And I like it like this. It's much more room to, you know, move around. And we got rid of that computer desk because we wouldn't use it. We kept the chair, the foot right here. Her Sonny said, instead of bringing the other chair right here, he was saying that way it'd be easier when I'm in the kitchen and, you know, can't stand long or, you know, you get the gist of it. Oh, that's him outside talking to somebody. I'm like, the honey voice is so deep. I hear him all the way from up here. But yeah, so he was like, it'd be better for me to get around in the kitchen. But I like it like this. Oh, let me show you a special feature. Oh. We're going to do something with this. I don't even know where we're going to put this mop. I want to get rid of the big spin mop. But honey ain't trying to get rid of it, so. But look at this, guys. Look at the light. You see the light? I love it. And we got stuff up in there. And these slide across. Yeah. And so that's looking. So we got all the meat and stuff down in there. And on this side is where we keep the veggies and stuff. So all the vegetables and stuff is down in there. And that's pretty much how we had it at the I love this deep freezer. I love that light. Yeah. And this is made by Magic Chef. We brought the cart up in here because it'd be hard to get the carts now. People be keeping them in their house and stuff like that. So I told honey, when we know we have something to do the day before, if we see a cart down there, we're going to bring it up in here because tomorrow we're doing laundry. We cleaned up good, everything, you know, which is always pretty much stay tidied up. Well, yeah. That's how the deep freezer is looking.
Stay with my free squeeze.
You all pumped about the free squeezes being up in there. I'm about to get me a piece of this watermelon. I got a piece last night. Let me switch y'all down. And
Hey, baby.
huh?
Hey, baby.
Yeah.
Well, I was with you in the elevator, right? The dude was like, man, somebody left what's the name right there, man? A fan right there, man. Somebody gonna take it. I said, oh, I'll put that right there. Man, he was like, oh yeah, you can have that. I can have that. I said, yeah. That's what he did. Man, he didn't get off the elevator with me, baby. He came all the way right back up and got that motherfucker right. Then he was getting out that motherfucker. He was like, man, thank you, man, thank you.
That was good. That's why I like putting stuff out there. Somebody got the fan already. But yeah. Oh, this is my
I'm doing that house, man.
that's my fan, y'all. Got my little fan.
I I'm good. I know you got it now. I forgot all about it. You got it, girl.
Oh, and guys, me and Honey read out our, we've been reading out our couples devotional book. Because we kept forgetting all about the book. And I said, I set it right here at the nightstand. So every day before we leave out, we read out of our Bible couples devotional book. So I like this. And it's really nice. And then it's having like a little prayer at the end too. And we enjoyed it. Oh, yeah, guys, we stopped at Family Dollar and got 2 6-inch extension cords. We got one white and we got the other one in brown. So yeah. Oh. You want me to see if I can get it? You want me? You want me to push it in?
Go ahead. My arm hurt too.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Oh, shit. What'd you do with that bag?
Huh?
What'd you do with that stuff?
In there. I put it in the tray.
Why would you do that?
Oh, I get it. Wait a minute.
Let's go right here, baby. Look. I told you about moving so fast, baby.
This thing is too.
Ain't too small, baby.
There you go.
There you go. There's the snack.
That thing was hard, didn't it? It did not want to snap down. Oh my goodness. I'll take my night meds. Oh, I forgot to call about my other medicine.
Look, there you go right there.
Oh.
I'll get this screwdriver.
I'm gonna take my heart meds, guys.
Huh?
Yeah, I was talking to the blog, talking to the blog.
Every goddamn day ain't gonna sit around and somebody wear that shit. Really, baby.
Yeah, anything we put out there,
That shit
people,
go like,
it go quick.
There,
We can put it out there and go back and honey take the trash around to the drop or something and it be gone.
You still talking to somebody?
The vlog.
I know, I was saying you still talking to the vlog.
I had my little fan sitting right here, y'all, on my chair. It could blow right on me. Because honey don't care for the fan, so that's why he was like, we can get rid of the big one now that he got me that one. Yeah, he always said the fans get me sick, but y'all know, but he understand that, you know, the hot flashes and stuff. I took my hair out and put it up in the ponytail right while we was back there in the room. You could tell I was bored. I ain't had nothing to do, but and right when I was doing it, that's when they was getting ready to discharge him. So, but anyway, yeah, honey don't really care for the fan being on him, so this way I have a little fan right here on the chair because you know I be having them hot flashes. I'm gonna take me a nice old hot shower. Have my little fan on tonight. I'm so happy. And we were so happy about having our deep freezer. Oh my goodness. We got from Home Depot. I told that lady, they only have one left. I was like, please hold it for me because I'm on my way. I said, I'm like 5 minutes away. I flew up there. I'm so happy we got that deep freezer. Oh, my head is itching so bad, guys. I mean, oh. I'm still bummed about my Facebook page and stuff getting hacked. I said I'm gonna take my time.
You know what? And then as soon as Ronald sent you that, that's what that happened.
Yeah. And I think when he kept trying to call me too, he probably was like...
He was trying to tell you.
Yeah, because I think when I sent my number to him and stuff, that's when he, you know, was trying to call. Yeah, and he probably was like, why you send me the... Did you send me your number?
You don't hit it.
Yeah, no, but when I sent him the number, he probably was confused too. He probably was like, what she send me a phone number for? Yeah. And that's when he tried to call me. And then, whichever way they hacked it, when he was trying to talk to me, they make sure it's no sound. So he couldn't hear nothing I was saying. I couldn't hear anything he was saying. It was just a mess. And then...
They said that somebody got on the phone, though.
Yeah, and remember they called you. And then we were sitting in there. And while honey on Messenger started ringing off of Messenger. And while I was saying Gina was calling him. Like I was calling him off of my Facebook Messenger. And he asked and was like, hello?
When I say nothing, there was a video too.
Yeah. I'm just like, this is crazy. Yup. So, anyway. Sit it up here, honey. Is that a light on there too? Oh, that's your phone.
Girl, hey, that good.
Look at my little fan, y'all. Look at our little fan. It's so cute. Ha! Shorty got air now, up close and personal. Well, let me see something.
Hush up, y'all right.
All right, lift it up. Ooh, ooh. But I'm going to keep it down lower level. So when I'm laying down. I'm just keep it right. Up. Oh, that's low. Oh, that's high. Oh, okay. That's off. Yeah. Check me out. Check me out. And this is
Yeah, right. Always doing something.
this is the
Don't.
can y'all see? Oh yeah. This is the off button. This the low, medium, high. Y'all hear honey. He tell y'all see her husband always doing something. They know I got a good husband.
Right. Better not try. She gonna leave me again. She keep on threatening y'all. She gonna leave me.
They know I got a good husband. Ain't that right, honey?
She keep on trying to leave me, y'all. It's like she told me I couldn't leave her. She gonna leave me, y'all.
Oh, this mama calling. All right, guys. Just wanted to share that with y'all. Love you guys. I'll see y'all a little later. Tomorrow. Hey, jelly beans.
I like these sides right
Good evening. We
7 out of 10 Marylanders agree.
Wait a minute.
Being active with family is a #1
Ooh.
life priority.
I'm about to fall over.
Then you belong to Glide, where membership youth sports, beautiful pools,
Got dinner on in a crock pot.
work out, and go out. The best equipment, pulses, and more.
Those are pork ribs, so I'm gonna let them cook on high in a crock pot because me and honey gonna be out and gone today. Got to get ready to take him to his appointment. Right now it's 10 minutes to 2 in the afternoon. His appointment is for 3:45, which he got to be there 15 minutes earlier. So when I get back in, they'll be done. I'm just gonna pour some barbecue sauce on them, throw them in the oven, and then I'm gonna take out a bag of those baby broccolis, and yeah. And that's what we're going to do with that. That's going to be dinner for when we get back in. And then we'll get the laundry and stuff done tonight when we get back in. I'm also drinking this probiotic drink. And yeah. So that's what we've been doing. And get ready to read our daily devotional. That's what I'm about to read. Yeah, so I'll probably go ahead on and close out this video because I didn't do it last night. And I'll see you guys on the next clip. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Until next time, jelly beans. Goodbye.